Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday the 13th, getting set to sail into a weekend. The weather's going to be a little warmer and dry, but next week, more changes. We'll check out some of the Skycam shots. We'll start off with a gorgeous sunrise early this morning, coming from our Gulf Shore Skycam on top of the Phoenix All Suites on a clear, crisp, cold winter morning. Love it. This afternoon, there's the view coming from Mount Cheaha, another beautiful place to be. Alabama's highest mountain, south of Anniston. The sky there mostly sunny. And an interesting sky from Parrish. Those are mid-level clouds up at about 15,000 feet, but underneath that, the air is very dry, and we will stay dry this weekend. Big trough on the way out, and a little chunk of energy is coming in from the west, producing those high clouds today, but again, with no moisture in the low levels, there'll be no chance of rain with that feature. And hey, it's colder than forecast. Look at Fort Payne. These are at 1 o'clock. It was 32 up there at that point. Birmingham at 37. I don't think we see 40 today. Tuscaloosa did manage 40. Montgomery at 42. But again, the statistical guidance, way too warm. And which means tonight will be pretty cold. We're figuring 18 to 25 tomorrow morning, with the upper teens for the colder valleys and 20s elsewhere. And around the nation, cold air flooding the east, but it's going to be a quick pop. We'll start to warm up over the weekend. There's our watch warning map, that red flag warning down in South Alabama. That's for the potential of wildfire danger because of the very low dew points and the gusty breeze. Got a freeze warning down in north central Florida, and still some winter weather issues up in the northeast. And the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning at 6 o'clock. This is suggesting rain amounts of 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. For North Alabama, amounts about a 1/2 inch elsewhere, and the bulk of that will probably come on Tuesday. We'll check the GFS. This is the 12Z run at noon tomorrow at 500 millibars. Some energy passing north of here. Looks like a nice day. We'll start the day cold, but again, we'll warm up into the mid-50s. Sunday, mid to upper 50s. The sky will stay sunny. Monday, we've got a cold front west of the state, but this run is a bit slower, so if this is right, we might see some clouds increasing Monday, but the day should be dry. And there's the next chance of rain on Tuesday of next week with the cold front dropping in. Showers, maybe some thunder, nothing severe. Rain amounts of about 1/2 inch would be likely. Wednesday of next week, troughing over the east, the cold front pushes south. We will be clearing and a bit cooler. Highs maybe around 50, but nothing dramatically cold. Thursday, dry and pleasant, and a week from today, on this run looks dry. We have seen some runs that bring in showers by Friday of next week, but again, for now, that shows you can find down to South Alabama. All right, let's go deeper in the forecast. January 25th, look at that trough. I say 25th, it's January 26th. Trough just to the west, that would suggest rain and storms. But on the 29th, no really cold air. It's the same deal. We've talked about it for weeks, that NAO is still staying neutral to positive, and until that changes, any cold snaps around here should be short-lived. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters, the internationally beloved meteorologist, will have the updates tomorrow and Sunday. And if you're local to us, don't forget to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless. Weather.